Hello everyone, this is Sri Prasanna pursuing BSc Data Science at Jagadgiri Gutta of Hyderabad district. Now I am here to tell you about the topic Poisson distribution. So let's get started. The first slide, introduction to Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution is actually another probability distribution formula. As per binomial distribution, we won't be given the number of trials or the probability of success on a certain trial. The average number of successes will be given in a certain time interval. The average number of successes is called lambda and denoted by symbol lambda. The formula for Poisson distribution is given: P of capital X is equals to X is equals to e to the power of minus lambda power of x by x factorial. Here lambda is average number, x is a Poisson random variable, e is base of logarithm and e is approximately 2.71828. Now moving on to the next slide, how it got named Poisson distribution. In probability theory and statistics, the Poisson distribution named after a French mathematician Denis Poisson. The distribution was derived by the French mathematician Simon Denis Poisson in 1837, and the first application was the description of number of deaths by horse kicking in a Prussian army. Later, moving on to the next slide, applications to Poisson distribution. Firstly, number of telephone calls received at a given switchboard per small unit of time. Number of deaths per day or week due to rare disease in a big hospital. Next, in industrial production, to find the proportion of defects per unit length, per unit area, etc. And the count of bacteria per cc in blood. Distribution of number of misprints per page of book, and later the count of alpha particles emitted per unit of time is useful in analysis of any radioactive substances. Now let's see one example for Poisson distribution. Question is, as only 3 students came to attend the class today, find the probability for exactly 4 students to attend the classes tomorrow. And let us take average rate of value lambda is 3 as 3 students are present. Now Poisson random variable capital X is equals to 4 as 4 students must be present tomorrow. Next, Poisson distribution formula, P of capital X is equals to X is equals to e to the power of minus lambda power x by x factorial is equals to e to the power of minus 3 into 3 to the power of 4 by 3 factorial, and the value is P of x is equals to 4 is equals to 0.1680315574154. This is the example for Poisson distribution. Now conclusion for Poisson distribution. To summarize, a Poisson distribution gives the probability of a number of events in an interval generated by a Poisson process. The Poisson distribution is defined by the rate parameter lambda, which is expected number of events in the interval, and the highest probability number of events. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I hope you understood the topic.